Okay, this is Zade, Junior, I guess we could say. Well, I'm a king. Well, I think we're gonna rob this bank here.
Alright, we're preparing for the bank rob.
Yeah, we're preparing for the bank rob.
Get the gun.
Hope for better.
Alright. I would like to buy some guns.
Okay.
I'll take strong arm. Take this gun. Take the Rampage. A 6-dart clip. And another 6 clip. And a walkie-talkie.
I'll take here's the walkie-talkie. And this looks pretty decent. With this clip and an extra. Good. And
anything else?
for safekeeping, this awesome spray painted pistol. Awesome. Well, I'll just put it in this pocket. Accidentally revved that up. Sounds awesome.
Alright.
How much?
How much?
This is $176.
Let's break!
Shoot! No,
Let's go.
Let's get out of here.
Oh no, the bomber plane is after us. Let's just stay right here. Okay. Okay, I think we're gonna have... Okay. We just got back from home, I guess you could say. Awesome. Oh yeah. Evil.
What's your position?
Oh no. They're looking at us. Ah! I'm coming behind you. Oh no, I keep getting out of ammo.
Hurry up!
I'm trying, but it's hard because I just got my hand shot off. Oh, I think I got it. Okay.
I got him. Alright, let's get the money. Hurry.
Hideous.
Get it.
Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, I got it.
Alright. Let's break.
Oh! Remember. We got it.